Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio, and this is the residual of the previous paintings. Transfer pan of leftovers. And I want to experiment a little bit. And I think in order to do so, I'm going to try and move some of this paint over. It has Sherwin Williams pillow paint under it, but I want to try some of the Chantilly lace, which might or might not be a good idea. And I'm still going to use a palette knife and some black white cell activator and some Rhapsody Rose. There's the black. It's Amsterdam black, Amsterdam white, and Aussie Floetrol. Let's make sure that's all the way open. Put all that paint back, just in case I want to use it. Throw my tools in the bucket for the moment. That's pretty. I like that. That's gorgeous, in fact. I wish I'd done more of that. So I'm going to use another 10 by 20 inch canvas. And I'm going to put my Sherwin Williams paint down in the center to begin with. Let it spread out a little bit. And then bring in the Tricorn Black. I'll try and make that equidistant, because I want black and white around the edges. I don't know if I can do it. But I'm interested in trying it. I didn't scoop and drag in my last painting, I just did transfer, but you never know what could happen next. I wanted to make sure that there was less paint, and I have to remember that. There might be some tipping going on. I think I'm going to grab whatever colors look best to me, but I like what I see. I'm going to save the best for last, I think. I want it now. I want the cells from the last swipe. To go right over the top. And I will put the colors in the description from the previous painting. Oh, that actually made it past it. I think that has to be it, except for I've got a little bit more, so that's not it yet. And it looks like I'm going to be forced to do another painting tonight. Although I did save a pan of these colors, or I did save a pan of colors, get it right, overnight, and they still worked. I'm going to put this down for a moment. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I'm going to scrape off my card because there's a bunch of beautiful paint on it. Take it away and put the top on it again, which is right here. Now, I could spin this out right as it is and see what happens, and that's probably the plan. But I'm also interested in variations on a theme. So let's tip first. I like it. I like the initial painting before I do anything to it again. It looks like this is closer to the edge, so I'm going to try and tip the other way. It looks like I might lose that Rhapsody Rose if I don't put some more paint in there, so I'm going to do that. I might as well put it down here too. That'll help everything move the direction I want it to go. I'm going to use that as an edge catcher. I don't need to pour black paint right down there. I do love the black and white cells, especially since they're not strictly black and white. I do see I have a bubble popped now. It's time. It's time to see what happens when we spin. I tried to modify my barrier so it would be easier to fit into place. And we're going for it. No, we're not. Not yet. I almost forgot how much I like to add spirals. I think there's a tab on the end of that. I could feel something pulling. Still feeling it. Yep, there is. It's a little finger of paint hanging off the end. I'm trying to break myself with a spiral habit, but it's hard. It's very hard. I do like breaking up the black line against the white. Now I'm going to spin. I might still take a straw and blow into the black and the white, just to make it look more organic. which is actually a look I like a lot. And it might wind up that I put some more spirals in there. I thought it was a good time to do it now before we get any further along. I do like those. All right, time to spin again. I like the edges. Not so sure about this right here. What other shapes are bugging me? Not much. I like a lot of that. I've got some edges I need to cover, at least that one right there. Paint fall down. It didn't stay even, but that sort of lends some charm to it too. Got to leave the house paint in a heavy layer or it shows the canvas through. So I'll be careful of that. It's different. Not sure about up here. I kind of want some more house paint. I might want a little bit down here as well. Just to balance out the design a little bit. Not sure it needs it 100%, but it's not going to bother me either. Alright, what do I have? Anything I need to fix? I know I probably said that already. I'm not a big fan of straight lines most of the time. And areas that look like odd little things I sometimes feel the need to change. So I love you guys. I post at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope you come and visit me again. I post 7 days a week. And I think this is good enough. Although I'm really tempted to keep playing with spirals because I like them so much. I've got a bunch of black right here. Drip down, perfect place to have it. And one gap on one end. So when you share my videos, you help me out, and I really appreciate that. Check out the 20% off Colourarte coupon code you'll find under Show More near my link tree, along with the Pixel Paint Designs coupon code for 10% off. Pixel Paint Designs has Australian Floetrol, nice thing to know, and Boom Gel and Pebeo Iridescent. Pebeo paints. I like the iridescence. That's why I keep getting caught up on that. So that's different. Actually, probably reminds me of something else I did, but that's okay. I'm going to shimmer that at you as best I can. I'm going to keep figuring how to configure these to get brighter colors, because that's what I want. I will be popping any bubbles I find with skewers. It's different. Different is supposed to be good. Oh wow, it's beautiful up close. The shimmer is off the charts. That Chantilly lace in here, wow. Really big wow. That's a bubble. Alright, I love you guys. I hope you come again. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group on Facebook. I said that twice. All on the link tree along with my website. Society 6, The Gallerist. Oh wow. Fine Art America, Pixels.com. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. If you'd like to inquire, my email address is easpbgallery, and the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. This is growing on me. I'm liking it, and I liked it already. And I still didn't do any scoop and drags. I just did dribbles, just to transfer. All right, I'm going to torch also, very cautiously, but just the same. I'll see you guys anon. I think I said that twice. I'm so distracted. Whatever I missed, you'll find out in another video. Thank you. Thank you to my new members, and thank you for the donations through PayPal. The icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. Check out my Amazon link for books. Know that I have 29 lists of 100 videos. And they're also all separated into topic and genre, so if you ever need something, please feel free to ask. Questions are welcomed and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Spring clothing under the video, along with Society 6 and The Gallerist, as well as Fine Art America and Pixels.com. All places you can have my artwork reproduced for your pleasure, your decorative needs, or reproduction. All right, I'll talk to you guys anon. Bye for now. Enough talking. Priscilla out.